I'm sick, you guys. And I've been sucking on candies and sweet and sour stuff to like give my taste buds a rush. But these nerds really got me. Anyway, hey everyone. This is an unboxing for January's BoxyCharm. I'm super excited about it. Don't know everything I'm getting in here. And I know there's a lot of debates on the variations. So let's get right into it. If you're curious to know what I got for December, stick around. On the back of their card is a list of the products and, pricing and stuff like that. After I take out the leaflet, there's like an egg foam carton thing in here. They do a really good job with packaging so things don't get broken. At least in my experience, I've never had anything broken in my box, only when I've ordered additional things. So when you lift up the sea foam thingy, or the egg foam thingy, you'll see what's in my box, which I'm not really happy about this month, but I'm not going to complain. It's only a $21 a month subscription, and I know for a fact one of the things in here already is paid for that subscription. So we're going to get right into it, which I'm really not happy about, is I got the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Miami Fever. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to probably put this in a giveaway. This retails for $20 though. And I'm really sad because I like Ofra. I was hoping to get a color I would be able to actually use. One thing I see that I'm super excited about is I got the Brogio Rosarco milk. I guess that's what it's called. I was hoping, this one was floating around. This is the one we got, I don't know, like 2 months ago. And it was the Don't Despair Repair one. Not that I didn't want a repeat of it, but I didn't like it to begin with. So I was really not looking forward to it. And now that I look at the difference between these two, the new one I just got is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. That is kind of what I was expecting from this one, which is Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. So maybe that's why I was disappointed with the first one. I am glad I can get this one and try it because, my hair is damaged. Brogio retails for $12 for this size. It's in 2 ounces. So I am happy about that. Another thing I can see that I'm happy about is I got the BDB Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. I really wanted this. It's got the spoolie on one end. And, okay, I didn't know that it was mechanical. But this is supposed to be a universal color. And that looks like a good color for me. It went on pretty smooth. This retails for $18. I am really happy I got this. I don't know what the other one was, the other variation. It might have been just a regular eyeliner, I think. And I was really just wanting an eyebrow pencil. I am so glad that we get to try Tatcha this month. I am on their Instagram and I watch everything about their skincare. I'm big on skincare. So yeah, this is the first thing I get to try from them. We got 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks from them. They retail $12 each, so together is $24. And I seen like BoxyCharm do videos on this, and they are super serumy and full of product. So I am really excited to try these ones, maybe for a skincare Sunday too. I don't know. There was 3 variations for the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. One was the limited edition. One was volume 3. Another one was like, I don't even remember, Sparkle or something it was called. What does my card say it is? I got the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette volume 3. Retails for $36. I don't remember which one this is. I know everybody wanted the pink one, and I'm pretty sure the pink one is the one I can't remember the name of. And this is a lot bigger than what I thought. When you see it on Instagram and stuff like that, the pictures do it no justice unless you know better. I'm wondering if all of them were limited. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. And it's a nice size. Like I was starting to tell you guys, when you look on Instagram and you've seen them promoting this for a month or so now, it looked like a little compact to me. I'm wondering if they're all limited editions. Why does mine say limited edition on the card? But on here, it just says Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. I don't know. I have to look into it. But let's pop this bad boy open. Ooh. The packaging is so nice. It's nice and hefty. The mirror is absolutely gorgeous. They did not spare any expense making this palette. Wait. So we got to do some swatches of this. Oh, some of the names are Treasure, Escape, Tiki, Heat Wave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, Jewel. Look at them. Very, very pretty. Oh, I want to touch them all. This one is Malibu. You guys can see that. They're very light swatches that I'm doing. Oh my God. This one's Rays, which would probably be a good highlighter too. It's very close to my skin. This one is Jewel. Very pretty. It looks like there's only one matte in here, which is fine. I think I read that their Rainforest of the Seas only have one matte, and it's supposed to be a really good transition for any look that you're doing. This is their transition color. That right there. And it's called Tiki. Very, very, very pretty. Wait, you guys, I want to check out one more. I want to see this light one is Treasure. I don't think I swatched this one. Ooh, look at that. Girl. How's that look on my color though? Yes. Oh my God. I'm in love. Now I'm going to want to buy the other two. So freaking pretty. I don't care that I didn't get the pink one. I like this one. This is perfectly fine. Anyway, this is my box for January. Ugh. I'm like really far behind. We're in 2019. This is the first box for 2019. Yay! It wasn't a hit with Ofra. I'm not too happy about the Borgeo, but I'm glad that it's not the one from before. So I'm really happy with my box this month. You know, it definitely pays for itself every month. So who's going to complain? Like, really? There's always an issue with every subscription. So with that being said, just keep in mind the box is only $21 a month. And if you don't like it, I've seen girls break up the box into different pieces and make 4 times worth what the subscription costs. So you can't lose. Anyway, hit that like button and comment down below. Let me know what palette you guys got. Lippy. I'm really curious to know the variations. You know what? I want to know if my card has a variation. Oh, so I had number 2. Variation 2. Let me know what ones you guys got, okay? And I will see you again real soon. I have some more unboxings to do. Talk to you later. Bye.